Hello, this is Denise. Welcome back to Made to Be Beautiful. Today is a quick video on how to get extra moisturizing skin during the winter season, especially using your double wear, your Estee Lauder double wear. My color is 5W Rich Caramel. It's a great liquid foundation. It stays in place all day. You get a nice finish, matted look, fresh look all day. But for me this winter, my skin has been extra dry, extra dry. You know, it's the air and the heat in the house, so it's just double the effect on my skin. What I do after I wash my face in the morning, I apply my moisturizer, and then I go back to my makeup section. I use my double wear, of course. I just add 2 pumps to my stipple brush, and then I add an extra moisturizer on top of that pump. So I go in with my oil Olay's Total Effect 7-in-1 moisturizer sunscreen duo. I just add 1 small pump on top of the Estee Lauder liquid foundation, and then I apply the makeup, and that's it. I've been doing this and my skin loves it. No breakout, no rash, no issues, and I am acne prone skin. I have breakouts left and right. So this has been working well for my skin for this season. My face look extra dewy, extra moisturized, not so matte, so I just kind of buffer out that matte finish, that the effect that the double wear has. Okay, so this is a great product. I love the double wear Estee Lauder. I'm not new to Estee Lauder. I absolutely love the makeup. I like to use this more during the spring, summertime, where my skin is more oily, and usually the winter time I use their Youth Perfectionist that I recently started using and I love too. But when it's to use more of the double wear, because it stays in place more, I get a more long-lasting effect with the double wear. But I just noticed that it's been very drying to my skin. My face looked too dull and too matted, and I didn't want that. So I wanted to buffer it out, and what I noticed that helps is when I use a little moisturizer. You can use a serum, a vitamin E, anything light, not so heavy. Just 1 little pump goes a long way. Mix it up with your liquid foundation, your Estee Lauder liquid foundation, and then go in and apply your makeup, and you will see the effect. It's amazing. Well, it works well when I combine it with this. I have no issues. So that's the tip for me for the day. Just an extra way to moisturize your skin, especially if you're out there with dry skin and you're putting on your makeup and not getting that fresh look that you're looking for. Definitely try mixing that liquid foundation with some moisturizer, a little vitamin E oil, a little serum to just buffer out that matte look and to give you a nice glow. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more update videos on skin care and beauty. Peace.